In this video, I will show you how to change the screen size of your Hisense Smart TV. So if you're watching a video or any content on your Hisense TV and you find out that there are actually some borders around the TV, or the video or content does not just fit the TV screen size, then changing your Hisense TV screen size will be very necessary. Over here, I have the Hisense Smart TV with the latest software and firmware updates, and basically to change this TV screen size, what you want to do is to head over to the settings, which you can literally see the settings icon over here. So on your remote control, you want to navigate to the left hand side just like so, and then you want to scroll down and click on the settings icon over here. Now from the picture settings over here, you want to navigate to the right hand side and then just scroll down until you get to aspect ratio. Now aspect ratio is actually the feature that allows you to change the TV screen size, so you want to go ahead and select it just like so. And from here, you can now go ahead and change your Hisense TV screen size to whatever you feel like. So you can go ahead and change it to 16:9, or you can even go ahead and change it to 4:3 over here, or you can even change it to quick zoom, and you can literally see how it actually changes on my TV over here. So basically, that is how to change the screen size of your Hisense Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.